Hi, I am Ramesh Achudan. I'm very happy to join in this masterclass program. My age is 40 years. I worked in Kenya as a technical manager in copier manufacturing company division. So due to some accident, now I am back to India and I am in treatment. So this duration, I don't look to waste my time. So I am searching for some other courses. So like that, B10x is being nice. I get it known to B10x. So just a little bit of confusion. I joined in that course, but after the sessions, after each and every session, the teaching is very nice and understandable and affordable. So the great innovative concepts of AI. So it is very important for the professionals, working professionals. Is not only for working professionals, but it is useful for entrepreneurs and any field, any professionals can create some upscale knowledges. So this is very important course for each and every one. So in this course, I have learned a Perplexity is a good tool, AI tool. This tool is very interested and it is useful for report making and it's a good search engine for in my opinion it is a good search engine. Not only like this, there are so many each and every AI tools are very important and usable for our daily activities. So what I am my conclusion is that the most affordable and advanced and awakening courses. This is very awakening course for each and everyone. So I am suggested and I am recommended that for to my friends and colleagues to join these courses. So after I am getting some job, definitely my salary and my skills will be upgraded due to this course. So that thing I am damn sure. So mhm, so please utilize the course and be part of it. Thank you.